Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can change the language of your Microsoft Word, especially if you have your software in a weird language such as Chinese or any language that you don't understand. So first, especially if you don't understand the language that you are in, just click on the top left button as you can see, which is File, and then scroll down to the bottom. You will see at the bottom the last button, which is Other, and then click on the last one, which is Options. So now the table of options will be opened. Click on the fifth tab. As you can see, we have General 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one, as you can see. Click on it, and here you will have two rectangles. The first one is the display language. The second one is for the spelling and the grammar language that you use inside your text. So we are interested in changing the first one, which is the default display language. Choose your language. For example, in my case, I want it in English. Choose your language and then click on the last one, set as default. You can see, and now it is set to default. All you need to do now is click on OK at the bottom, as you can see, and then a prompt message will be appearing which requires to restart Office in order to apply the settings. Let's click OK, and let's close and reopen our app, and you can see that the language now is English, as you can see. So thank you, that's it for today. Hope this video did help you to solve your issue changing the display language of your Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial.